In this demonstration, we are going to show how our framework can be used to simulate and experiment with a typical SOA topology. In this scenario, we have a travel agent service which talks to a car rental service, a hotel service, and an airline service. These car rentals and hotel and airline services talk to the payment gateway, which makes requests to the bank service. There is a backup of the payment gateway service, which we will use in the case payment gateway goes down. Now, we will start the services and make a request to the travel agent. You can see the travel agent returns a value for car rental, hotel, and airline. Now, if you look at the interactions, you can see there's a feedback value provided by the travel agent, car rental, payment gateway, etc. for each of the interactions that they are involved in. Now, this interaction value, the feedback value, is given by the caller about the callee involved in the interaction. And in this case, the satisfaction values are all 1. Now, based on these feedback values of interactions, we have developed a trust module which we call the client feedback trust module. We enable the client feedback trust module and make another request. Since all the requests, all the interactions happen as expected within a reasonable time frame, the feedback provided by the caller is perfect. Once again, if you look at the satisfaction values, it's all 1. It's all 1 for all the interactions. Therefore, you get the client feedback values of all 1 for client feedback trust levels, 1 for each service. Now, in the case, how about having a DOS attack on the payment gateway? We simulate a DOS attack which introduces a delay of 1 second on the payment gateway and make another request. This delays the response a little bit, obviously, and based on that response, you can see the payment gateway's client feedback related trust value has gone down. This is based on the feedback provided by car rental, hotel, and airline. If you look at the feedback numbers provided by, for example, hotel about the payment gateway, it's 0.2 now. So we'll increase the delay of the DOS attack, delay due to the DOS attack with this simulation, and we wait a little while longer, and now we can see the client feedback related trust value goes down further. Now there is another interaction authorization module which we have developed based on the client feedback trust module. Client feedback trust module's trust values. Now, once we make a request based on this, you can see that since the interaction authorization module notices that the payment gateway's trust value has gone down based on the logic of the interaction authorization, we switch to the payment gateway backup. Now, when we make requests, the response is much faster, right? And you can see that the travel agent's feedback on the car rental, hotel, and airline services is better now. Is actually 1. The travel agent's feedback on the airline satisfaction is 1. Therefore, the car rentals, hotel, and airline client feedback related trust values go up.